Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find your account number on Interactive Brokers. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to interactivebrokers.com. When the homepage loads, look to the upper right corner. You'll see a login button there, click it. A drop-down menu will appear with several platform options listed. From that menu, select Portal Login. The login page will load. You'll see a form in the center of the screen with two fields. Type your username into the first field, then click into the second field and type your password. Once both are filled in, click the login button below the form. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you'll see a verification prompt at this point. Complete that step to continue. Once you're through authentication, the client portal homepage will load and display your full dashboard. Here's the important part. Your account number is already visible on this homepage, so you don't need to click into any additional menus or sections. Look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Your Portfolio. This section shows several account values, including settled cash, buying power, and dividends. Your account number is displayed right there in that same section, alongside those financial values. The number is typically a combination of letters and digits. Your Interactive Brokers account number usually starts with a letter followed by several digits, something like U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have multiple linked accounts under your login, you'll notice you can click or tap the account number to switch between them. The display will update to show the values for whichever account you select. You'll need this account number for things like setting up wire transfers, calling customer support, or filling out documentation, so it's worth noting it somewhere secure. The client portal homepage is always the quickest place to find it, no digging through menus required. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.